Namaste students, myself JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class MEd first semester. We will discuss the topic instructional objectives. What is an instructional objectives? And instructional objectives is a statement that will describe what the learner will be able to do after completing the instructions. Okay. According to Robert Meagher, in his book Preparing Instructional Objectives, describe an objectives as a collection of words and are picture and diagrams intended to let others know what you intend for your students to achieve. Characters of instructional objectives. An easy way to remember the characteristics of a good objectives is the acronym SMART. It stands for specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, time bound. Components of instructional objectives. There are 4 components of an objectives. First, the action verb. Second, the conditions. Third, standard. And next, fourth, the intended audience. Dr. Benjamin Bloom's American education psychologist, classification of education objectives, theory of magisterial learnings, and research team under his supervision has developed a taxonomy of educational objectives in 1956. Bloom's taxonomy of educational objectives. Taxonomy simply means classifications. The purpose of Bloom's taxonomy is to promote higher forms of thinking in education, such as analyzing and evaluating concepts, processes, procedures, and principles, rather than just remembering facts. It is often used when designing instructions or learning processes. The 3 domains of learning: cognitive, affective, and psychomotors. Cognitive means mental skills, affective means growth in feeling and are emotional areas, and psychomotors maneuver are physical skills. Bloom's revised taxonomy. Lauren Anderson and David Kortfels revisited the cognitive domains in mid-90s and made some changes in it. Seen displayed evaluations, evaluating, synthesis, creating, analysis, analyzing, applications, applying, comprehensions, understanding, and knowledge, remembering. Bloom's taxonomy. The cognitive domains. The cognitive domains involves knowledge and the development of intellectual skills. There are 6 major categories of cognitive process, starting from the simplest to the most complex: knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis, evaluating, remembering, understanding, applying, analyze, creating, and evaluating. Bloom taxonomy. The cognitive domains. Seen displayed verbs suitable for cognitive domains: remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. Bloom's taxonomy. The affective domains. The affective domains includes the manner in which we deal with things emotionally, such as feelings, values, appreciations, motivations, and attitudes. The 5 major categories are listed from the simplest behavior to the most complex: receiving, responding, next, valuing, organizing, and characterization. Bloom taxonomy, the affective domains assembling these diagrams. But suitable for affective domains: receiving, responding, valuing, organizing, and characterization. Bloom's taxonomy, the psychomotor domains. The psychomotor domains includes physical movements, coordinations, and use of the motor skill areas. Psychomotor skills range from manual tasks. The major level of psychomotor domains are perceptions, set, guided response mechanism, complex overt response, adaptations, and organizations. Bloom's taxonomy, the psychomotor domains seen displayed as a diagrammatic view. Verbs suitable for psychomotor domains: perception, set, guided response mechanism, complex overt response, adaptations, and organizations. Okay, thank you.